to get camera ready. Hi guys, welcome back for the Ellie Show. Today we're making back. First you need a bowl. Now you have big. Now that, now corn parts. Done. Oh, I still got more. This is done too. Now that, now ketchup accent. Now accent top. When now mix your dye ingredient. Mix. Done. It's done. It's done. This is done. Done. Now get your oil. Now I'm gonna pour your oil. What? Brown. Passion fruit guava. Tip it over. Very careful. I'm eating blue today. Now mix everybody. Mix blue. Now pour it into my try mixer. Then get it wet. Dip. Done. Don't eat it. It can make you throw up. Spray it a little bit. Want it very blue. More. We're gonna mix. When you mold it. Get it back from mold. Pack it very tight. That good. And there's the other one. Put a little before I did it. Put it together really hard. Put it in the fridge. Turn in the back one. Now I'm gonna make a tiny one too. A tiny. Like carrying it. Put it in. Now I go show you how the back one works. Give me it. Now I go show you how the tiny one. Put it in, everybody. Done. The tiny one done. Look at it. Get this one. Oh, I got my hand in it. It covered it blue. I did cover it. Now I have the big one. Put in. Oh, I'm peeling. Look out. Didn't change. It's peeling on the ground. See? Turned in a pretty bow. It changed. Give me. I got it. I got it. It's changing. It changed. Now I got that bomb and a prize. I love prizes. It turned. A chicken. The chicken. Ball, 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 ball. Maybe it's a flower. It's a flower. Thank you for watching the Ellie Show. Bye. But here.